If you're worried about identity fraud or identity theft, there's only a few things you need to do to protect yourself and keep yourself safe. Even if the scammer has the last four digits of your social security number, they can reverse engineer your information to open up accounts and kind of reverse engineer your lifestyle based on your name, your last four digits of your social security number, and they can get your address and a bunch of background information on you to potentially open up different accounts or pretend like they are you. So, one, you should definitely enable multi-factor authentication on all of your accounts, your financial accounts, your bank accounts, your credit card accounts. So definitely enable that. Number two, keep monitoring your financial accounts for any suspicious activities. Put fraud alerts on. Let them know that you would like for them to monitor your any kind of fraudulent activities. And number three, the biggest thing to protect yourself from identity fraud or identity theft is to contact your credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion and put a freeze on your credit bureaus. And that way, nobody can really create inquiries in order to open up accounts. You can put a freeze on them, and you can also let them know that you would like fraud alerts activated. So those three things will save you from 99% of trouble in terms of identity fraud or identity theft, because people will use phishing attempts and social engineering, voice calls and emails to try to get information out of you. And by doing these three things, you'll be able to protect yourself from 99% of these kinds of fraudulent identity theft or identity fraud activities. The other 1% will come from, if you lose your phone and they have access to your phone and they'll be able to get OTPs and all of that stuff, but that's in rare circumstances. So protect yourself and do these three things, and you will definitely be worry-free.